Here you go. You're all tucked in. Oh, hold on.
Thank you.
Baby. Yep. Alright. I'll be down in my bed. Bye. Where is it? Oh, hi. Yeah. Can you help him?
First of all, I'm trying to sleep, and second of all, you're the father.
I don't know what to do. I'm not the mom.
Okay. What do you want? I need milk.
Alright, I'll go get some milk from the fridge.
No, you don't have to do that.
Oh. Okay, you can go get it.
Yeah. What?
Back home, man.
Yes.
Hey, I just need to tell you. That needs milk.
Yeah, and I already fed him.
Why is she crying then?
I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
he's
he
flipped
doesn't-
upside down. That's why.
He doesn't have a diaper on.
Oh, well, here, have a diaper then. Well, it's 11 o'clock at night. Stop making that. Make that baby stop crying.
Well, it's not my fault, you idiot. Number 2. The baby was just crawling in my mouth.
Well, don't crawl in your mouth. Don't crawl in the baby. Here, I'll go
It
change
was
the baby's
crawling.
diaper.
It was crawling up my throat. Why did I have to get stuck with 2 dumb people?
I changed his diaper.
Thank you.
Oh, Dad, I'll be right back. Here, I have some breakfast in bed for you.
Thank you. Ugh.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
I need $10.
Go ask your dad. I'm broke. I'm not actually broke.
Hey, Dad. What?
Here. Thanks, Ed.
An hour later.
I didn't end up using all my $20, so here's like 99 cents back. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go ask your mom. I'm gonna go eat some lunch.
What was that? Oh well. Oh, great. Honey,
Yeah.
mine's still Egbert. Oh, I found him. I was laying on him.
You idiot.
What?
Nothing.
Whoa.
You can't even say bless yet?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Tired.
Then go to sleep.
I'm trying to. Okay, I need to get up. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You need to get up right now.
3 o'clock? Usually, at least people wake
Oh,
up
wait, sorry.
at 8.
2 o'clock in the afternoon. End of the series.
The end. The creators is Megan. Me, I voice purple and Megan voices blue.
Yeah. Can you believe a girl is voicing a dude?
But
so if you want to see behind the scenes, just tell us by liking the video.
yeah, please leave a like, subscribe, and like she said, this is the end of the series.
It's not good.